Well, as you mentioned, the rain has subsided a little here in Boca Raton. Right now, we are on the Palm Beach State campus in Boca Raton. That's in the back of Florida Atlantic University. We're actually in one of the parking lots. There have been some reports of flooding here. We're probably coming up to the thick of it. You see this car in front of us actually moving out of the way, but there is some flooding on this street here. Nothing major to report here, but you're seeing some cars turning around and just trying to make sure that they're not going to have any problems as they pull into certain parking lots. It's not a lot of traffic in the area, but we can tell you on I-95, especially the northbound area, coming out of Florida Atlantic University, heading northbound towards Delray Beach and Boynton Beach, there is a lot of traffic on I-95. When we were coming down, it was raining heavily, and there's quite a backup for at least several miles. So that's the latest from this vantage point. We'll certainly keep you updated on the conditions here as we deal with another rain-soaked weekend and throughout the week here in Palm Beach County. That's the very latest. We're live in Boca Raton. Ted White, WPBF 25 News. All right.